broken dreams, pasting bits of history with broken seams. Crafty heart, I paint the world anew. Every scrap tells a story of me and you. Glue on fingers, colors in my hair, stitching memories in every tear. Through the chaos, beauty finds a way. Handmade moments in the light of day. Crafty heart, don't you ever tear. Build a world where we can dare. Scissors, paper, glue, our destiny. In this patchwork we find our unity. Piles of fabric lie across the floor, threads of life we never dared ignore. Patterns weave a masterpiece in time. In this crafty joy our souls align. Box of buttons forgotten in a chest, every piece a treasure put to the test. Recycle love from what's left behind.